Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Today, the US government said some shocking things about Shiba Inu coins. Shiba Inu's price action is very different from what has happened in the last two sessions. Shiba fell as low as $0.840 on Monday as worries about Binance's financial health spread through the cryptocurrency world. According to crypto news, the cryptocurrency rose along with the rest of the market after U.S. inflation numbers came in lower than expected on Tuesday. This eased worries about how much the Fed will continue to tighten financial conditions in the coming months. In this video, we'll talk about the shocking things the U.S. government said about Shiba Inu. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. From Monday's lows to Tuesday's highs, SHIB's price went up and down by about 11%. Long-term price predictions, on the other hand, remain negative, and SHIB's technicals don't look good between now and the end of 2022. In October 2021, the price of a Shiba Inu could drop to 1 cent and lose another zero after the decimal. It ate another zero. Between now and the end of 2022, a rally like this would likely be set off by price changes in other markets. If the market is up in 2022, then it is possible for SHIB to eat one more zero. That's because there's a lot of buzz about SHIB, which is clear from how its price moved in October and early November. Since so many people think SHIB will go up, fear of missing out could cause it to go up by a couple thousand% next year in 2023. The price of Shiba Inu will depend a lot on how the market does in 2022. If the market goes up in 2022, some of that momentum could carry over into SHIB in 2023. But if the market is slow in 2022, Shiba Inu could go through a phase of correction in 2023. Shiba Inu is a popular meme that almost everyone knows how to do. It went up a lot last year and made its owners a lot of money. SHIB is an age-based token that was made to compete with Dogecoin, which was the first coin with a dog theme. It has a strong community that kept the project going even when the market was red. SHIB has a market cap of more than $5 billion and a supply of more than 500 trillion. But in the world of cryptocurrencies, Shiba Inu doesn't have an edge over other dogs. Being compatible with Ethereum doesn't necessarily make people want to own and use the token. With no real competitive advantages in the crypto world and falling interest from the crypto community, it's not surprising that SHIB's price has dropped 90% since its all-time high in October 2021. People who want to invest might be tempted to buy and with the hope that the price will go back up. But this is more like gambling than investing in the real world. If Shiba Inu sent 589 trillion tokens to the burn address today, the price of the SHIB would be $1. It was November. Only 661 million SHIB tokens, worth about $6,000 in dollars, were burned. It doesn't matter much. Shiba Burn Tracker says it would take at least 67,000 years for token burning alone to make Shiba Inu worth 1 cent, as shared by the SheerBurn Twitter handle, which is a well-known burn tracking service. In the last 24 hours, the rate at which SHIB is burned has gone up by more than 700%. SheerBurn's website shows that the popular meme coin SHIB has once again dropped out of the top 10 list of the largest wallets on the Ethereum chain. In the last 24 hours, the rate at which Shiba Inu burned increased by a huge 706%. After 16,037,016 SHIB were sent to Inferno wallets, this happened. The address that ended in FDR sent 8,495,098 Shiba Inu as part of the biggest burn transaction. Per data shared, the total amount burned this week won't come close to 100 million meme coins. Whale Stats is a tracker that gathers information about wallets on some of the best blockchains, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, and others. In the last 24 hours, Shiba Inu Dog Crypto is no longer one of the top 10 assets held by the 100 biggest whales on Ethereum. This is the second time this month that it has happened, and now Monostage and AA are the biggest holdings of whales. Their portfolio as a whole now has 35.59. Mana is 34.21% of the stage. Still, SHIB keeps getting thousands of new users every day. Over the past 24 hours, about 1,000 more people have SHIBs. bringing the total from 1,265,003 to 1,266,039. This week, the number of SHIB holders also went up a lot in just one day, as you mentioned today. According to data from CoinMarketCap, the share price has dropped to 8,616 cents, which is a loss of 3.37% in the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu price could be getting ready for a pullback. The bulls show early signs of failure. If things stay the same on the market, a sweep the lows event, Shiba Inu price is continuing to settle as the well-known meme coin moves within a 10% range every week as of December 13th. On the daily chart, a bearish cross was seen when the 21-day simple moving average crossed over the 8-day exponential moving average, but SHIB has stayed underwater since the signal. On shorter time frames, the bulls have been turned away when they got close to the 900 cents barrier. Bearish crosses are often referred to as death cross amongst traders, as crossing the slower moving average into the faster one usually results in sharp liquidations. Shiba Inu is worth 885 cents right now. The second retest of the intersected indicators will be unnecessary if the market is genuinely bearish. If the December 13th low at 861 cents is broken, a bear rally could head for the November swing low at 817 cents, which would mean a 7% drop. If bulls remain sidelined near the November bottom, then SHIB will likely print new yearly lows in the coming weeks. A bullish attempt at the December 13th swing high at 932 cents is required to consider aiming for higher targets if the bulls can turn the barrier into support. SHIB could go up as high as November 10th, with a swing high of 1,055 cents. In the bullish case, the price of a Shiba Inu would go up by 19%. The world's second largest meme coin Shiba Inu is once again in the news on Wednesday, December 14th. The share price went up by 7%, and the number of trades went up by 28%. This happened after Shiba Inu creator Satoshi Kusama updated his Twitter profile. In his Twitter bio, Kusama wrote on the first day, "My true love gave to me," which is a line from the song The 12 Days of Christmas. The SHIB community has started to break the code and figure out what it means. This Christmas, there will be a big change to Shibarium. Shibarium is a blockchain platform that lets users and developers use the Shiba Inu blockchain infrastructure in the best way possible. It's basically a blockchain platform for Shiba Inus with a second layer. The goal of Shibarium is to lay the foundations for expanding the Shiba Inu ecosystem involving blockchain games, metaverse, and much more. Fans of Kusama saw that right away, and it made them think that a big announcement might be coming soon. Many users want to know if the developers of Shiba Inu are going to give a better Christmas gift. But Kusama has chosen to say nothing about the whole thing. So, for now, these are just ideas about how Shibarium might develop. Whale accumulation is another reason why the price went up recently. Recent information from Etherscan shows that the Shiba Inu whale saved up an incredible 1.92 trillion SHIB, which is worth about $17.7 million. Even though cryptocurrency took a big hit in the crypto winter of 2020,